Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add gold on Metatrader 5 in 2026. Now, in order to add it, you will have to first of all launch your Metatrader 5 application on your phone. Now, when you launch it, you are going to see this type of quotes screen in front of you. Now, over here, tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, you have two options of finding it. You can either go into the metals, then look for the option of spot. Then you are going to see Xauusd, which is gold support unit. So you just have to tap on the plus icon right next to it and it will be added just like so here on the home page. Now you can also tap on this plus icon again and you can directly search for Xauusd. Now when you search for it, you will find it here in this list. Again, tap on the plus icon right next to it and it will be added over here just like so. Now you can select it and you can basically make your order here in MT5. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.